Siguro like, sagarin yung self ko na mapagod talaga. Yeah, parang yun nga, relating it to you too, na parang it's important that we know our boundaries even when it comes to like showing up for people or let's say work-wise, na parang it's good that you take time for yourself because in order for you to show up to other people, you have to show up for yourself. In English ko lang. Pero tama yun. Siguro that, just knowing when to take a step back. Yes.
I have to know, siguro this goes for the three of you guys because I kind of want to relate it to Belle's answer. Ano ang secret nyo to burnout? When you're experiencing burnout, how do you get out of that? How do you bring yourself back to the passionate self that you are?
Siguro for me, I cry muna. It's true. We
True,
have to
you
cry.
have to
It's
let the
important.
emotions out.
It's important that we acknowledge our vulnerabilities. I think it's what makes you stronger too. So what I do is I cry. After I cry, easier said than done. I talk to someone I can talk to about it or accountable in my life, which is my mom or my team. And then I rise from those problems. You know, I mean, you shouldn't let naman those things pull you down by the end of the day. The world's a circle. Kung nasa baba ka, iikot ka lang din pabalik pataas. Yes.
Thank you, Belle. Beautiful statement. How about you, honey? How do you deal with burnout?
I think personally for me, I take some time with myself and then that's when I cry. Like I want to be alone first and then that's when I cry and then I pep talk myself na okay, ilabas mo lang yan lahat and then magiging okay din. So,
Yes, thank you, honey. How about you, Miss Char?
Siguro ako, I try to do activities that is, para kunyari, I always handle flowers. So when I'm burnt out, I try to find, like, for example, a new hobby. I wall climb or yung mga dinadivert ko siya just so I don't get sick of the thing that I wanna do the most. Parang ganon. Yeah.
I love that. Finding different hobbies, no? Or having a life outside what you normally do is beautiful. Thank you guys so much to Honey, Miss Char, and Belle. Miss Char, what is our next part of our program?
Okay. So for the next one, you have your fillers. So this is local aster. So ngayon, if you notice, we've been putting flowers parang more on top of each other, parang mas matataas. Ngayon, I want you guys to put this mas in between sa loob ng mga bulaklak. So it doesn't have to be high, just to fill in the gap. So from the name itself, it's a filler. So if i-fill in natin yung mga napapansin nyo na empty spaces. So yan. This would also make your arrangements look more full, mas dynamic siya, mas mukha siyang interesting. So yan. Kasi this is aster. It's a local flower. So ngayon, if you would notice, parang lesser of the big flowers. So it's more dynamic looking. So it's more parang assorted. Yes. Mas assorted siya tignan ngayon. Yes. So try nyo lang na kahit shorter stems. Or for example, you can peel off the shorter stems into creating smaller bundles. So yan. Try to put it lower. Yes. Good job, guys. Ang gaganda. Okay. So here's like the progress of my work. So this is actually the second to the last step. So yon. So if you would notice, medyo gumaganda na yung arrangements natin. Yeah.
Yes, gumaganda na siya. It's getting there.
Yeah. Pwede. Yes.
I think, okay, how is everyone feeling so far based on their arrangement? Satisfied po ba kayo? Oh, wow, satisfied kayo, bongga. Is anyone disappointed? She was like, yes, I'm disappointed. No, ate. That you're just getting started. We are not yet done. Diba, Miss Char? Ilang steps pa?
Yes. So, last step na tayo. And then,
last step na.
Yes, last step. Okay, the last flower that you have are your anthuriums. So, anthurium. This is like my favorite. This is my favorite flower just because it looks weird.
Yes.
So we wanna embrace weird. So now, yung anthurium natin, these are your toppers. So topper meaning parang visual interest lang siya on the arrangement. So now, we want to put it together, pero magkaiba siya ng height. And then pick one side of your arrangement. So for example, ito yung arrangement ko. Medyo may butas ako dito sa side na to. So I wanna put it on that side. Pero, pwede, yeah. This should be the tallest in your arrangement. So parang topper siya. Ayan. So ngayon, parang may accent siya on one side. So there. And then, maganda siya na hindi siya magkapantay. Ayan. Ayan. And then make it face saan yung harap ng arrangement ninyo. So it's the face of the anthurium should face the front. Ayan. Yes.
Wow, I love it. Everything is coming together, Miss Char. So nice. Grabe.
So,
Miss Char,
maybe-
would you say volume is important?
Yeah, sometimes yes. For me, it makes your arrangement more parang complete looking. Kasi if medyo, kunyari, we only have one or two flower selection, medyo parang hindi ganun lang ka full siya tignan. So, the more flowers also, of course, the parang the better it looks. But sometimes naman, it can also be just one type of flowers. It really depends on how you arrange it.
Everything is looking so nice so far. Grabe, kahit konti lang yung selection ng flowers natin, parang
I love it.
napakabongga na
Yeah.
ng
That's
vases ninyo. Oh my gosh, ang ganda.
No, it's nice.
Wow. So perfect. Okay. We're just having them finalize their mini bouquets or their vases.
Yes.
And everyone else will give you guys some time to finish up. Okay, there.
Iba dun sa ginawa natin last time. Oh, yeah.
Okay. I think, okay, how is everyone doing so far? Sino dito yung mga tapos na? Oh, nice. Good job, guys. Okay. I want to know, honey, are you done? Yes. Okay, honey. Talk to me about the inspiration of your design.
It's very much inspired by, I'm feeling, inspired by the set. Kasi pink yung flowers, I really wanted the pink to really face the front. So, ayun. Inspired by the event, the whole event.
Yes, exactly. Juicy talaga is our inspiration for today, di ba, honey? Thank you so much. Okay, Miss Char naman, as someone who arranges flowers regularly, would you say this is a different approach?
This is basically one of the, parang if you wanna start flower arranging, this is the best parang step by step. So kahit kasi simple siya, the flowers you can easily access in dangwa, ganyan. So ito very parang foundational. So even if you don't know a lot about flowers, etong ginawa natin would be nice na siya to do for a beginner. So yeah.
I love it. Di ba kahit beginner pa lang kayo, parang it's giving expertise na, expert
Yes,
level.
agree.
Pwede na kayo mag-open ng sarili nyong florist shop,
Yeah.
ganun ang peg sa marketplace. Okay, eto naman, Belle, what is your inspiration for your vase?
More of when I see it, it's more of like it's very colorful. You know,
Yes.
flowers are very colorful, just like us. So it makes me happy. Siguro, despite everything that's going on right now in this world, you know, at some point, like just like flowers, we also bloom.
Yes, exactly. And parang it also, I feel like this is also kind of a small achievement, diba? Something new that we get to try out. And when we look at it, oh my gosh, yeah, I did that myself. I love it. Yes, diba? May palakpakan. Bongga talaga. Thank you, guys. Okay. So I think we are all very much inspired. But before that, we would like to call on our two pre-selected KOLs